Hey guys, it's Cliff with Induction Innovations, home of the world's famous Mini-Ductor line that we use targeted flameless heat for where you want it, when you want it. Unlike a torch that doesn't know when to stop, with a Mini-Ductor, you're always in control. When you need that heat in a tight space or working inches from fuel tanks or wires, open flames aren't an option. That is where the precision and reliability of the Mini-Ductor is going to come into play. What makes the Mini-Ductor a trusted option for technicians is the wide variety of coil sizes that Induction Innovations manufactures. Induction Innovations brought out our first coil kit in 2010 with our standard coil kit, ranging from 7/8 of an inch up to 1 3/4. Our second coil kit that we brought out was our long coil kit. So we went from 3/4 of an inch up to 1 3/4, but the difference is this is going to help you get in those hard to reach spots where maneuverability and tight spaces are the concern. What the difference is these have longer stems. Our essential coil kit was brought out showcasing the best of both original kits. Our standard as well as our long coil kit, containing the most popular sizes between those two kits from our 3/4 of an inch up to 1 inch, both short and long stems, making it a mechanic's dream. We have two specialty coil kits as well. We have our bearing buddy pack that we have. So it's great for removing O2 sensors as well as getting those tough to reach spots that need a flexible coil to get in, as well as removing bearings. We also have our thin wall coil pack. So this was designed to be able to get into thin wall sockets such as custom lug wells in areas that you need tight fittings without touching anything else. And one of the upsides of Induction Innovations Mini-Ductor coil kits is every coil that Induction Innovations makes works with every single one of our Mini-Ductors. At Induction Innovations, we believe do it better, do it faster, do it safer, and do it greener. With flameless invisible heat using the Mini-Ductor. You can find more information at theinductor.com.